The police in St. Anne were kept busy on Friday after they tried to ascertain the circumstances surrounding the death of a couple whose bodies were discovered by their daughter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Anne police are probing the suspected murder of a couple whose bodies were discovered at a house in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne's on Friday. The deceased have been identified as Danny Wollaston, a businessman and furniture maker, and his wife, Kamara Walker Wollaston, both of Gully Road in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne. Reports are that shortly after 4 p.m. on Friday, the daughter of the two returned home and made the gruesome discovery. An alarm was raised and the police were alerted to the scene. The police said that Wollaston was found laying on his back with what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds to the torso, while his wife was seen lying on the floor with multiple gunshot wounds to the upper body. The scene was processed and the bodies removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The police have so far said that they have not yet established a motive for this latest killing. However, residents in the community have been left shocked and stunned, and a number of them have took to social media just in order to express sadness at the killing of the couple. The St. Anne's police have now commenced a high-level probe into the case in order to ascertain those responsible for this latest homicide in the area. In the meantime, Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come in our current affairs program, Let's Talk. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.